Me too, bud. Me too. It always seems like people that drive SUVs are just angry. Like, I don't get that. You made that decision, bro. Like, why are you mad about it? But yeah, how y'all doing? How's your mama, man? I am wet. I hate rain, which, like, you know, I've said this before. If I could get out of Tennessee, I would, but, like, I can't, so got a deal. Here they come. Brother, my man was full tuck on the cruiser trying not to get wet. Shit. I am drooling over a CF motorbike. I don't give a shit that it was made in China. So was everything else I own. That is immaterial to me. Borders are all imaginary lines anyway, and the only thing that makes them real is state violence. The 450 MT has my eye. I want that middleweight Ibex. And, you know, there's another reason why I want it. It's because it's like the only adventure bike in that class that doesn't have a boring paint scheme. It's got the racing livery. It looks so good, and I want it. CF motorbikes have been around long enough for me to determine that they're pretty reliable. Like, if KTM and Yamaha are letting them build some of their bikes, I don't see a problem. It's got running that same engine as like the 450 SS and the 450 NK, and everybody loves those bikes. It's just tuned differently, you know, as you do. And I'm partial to big old butt ugly touring bikes, actually. They're comfy, but a middleweight ADV bike fits my desire for a fully fared touring bike with a and a dirt bike all at the same time. Plus, it's got a low seat height, which I'm about. Oh my god, this weather sucks. I am just kind of rambling about it, but I'm excited for it. And I'm checking their website every day. Yeah, no, I'm just trying to get home. I got sushi waiting on me, man. I've got goals. I've got goals today. But yay! Hey, y'all stop that. No reason to be doing that shit. Rubber banding is stupid. What are we doing? Why are we going 15 miles an hour on the highway? Lane splitting, filtering, all of it needs to be legal so I can just leave these dumb fucks behind. Oh no, it's raining a little bit, so let's go 30 under the speed limit. Fuck. I'm not even salty about it. Like, the rain kind of feels good. It was 100 degrees today. It was like 100 degrees in the shade. It was pretty gross. It was pretty hot. And like, I'm not opposed to it, but I don't like it when it's muggy hot, you know? Dry heat I'm cool with. I can like operate in dry heat all day. This wind's coming in pretty hard. A Tesla. Oh no, let's hope autopilot doesn't maliciously ram into me. Did you hear about that though? Like, the Tesla autopilot kills motorcyclists. Runs them right the fuck over. Doesn't even see them. Doesn't see semi-trucks either, which I think is kind of weird. Like, putting a band-aid on a gaping gunshot wound is not the solution. But yeah, back to that 450 MT. Dude, that thing sounds great. I saw some video from fucking, like, Thailand or some shit, where they, I don't know, maybe the Philippines? There's a lot of squids over there. But some dude put an Acra on a MT450, and it sounded god tier. It sounded amazing. Those little 450s sound so mean. They're not, but they sound like it, and that's the important part. Yeah, no, I'm not hanging out in the rain any longer, and I got to. Whoa, oh, it's a free-for-all, baby. Shit. Oh, they just stopped. They stopped, like deadass. Just stopped. Okay. I see. This was the correct decision. Not fast, just loud. I love that. That's funny. Like, I know I can take these with a little more, like, I can give a little more beans than I'm giving today. But it's really squishy and gross and wet outside, and I don't wanna. Cause I don't got ABS. I've also been looking at a pair of those flying eyes glasses. Cause normally I wear some big old like mod style cat eyes. And they don't fit in my helmet. This is not a great position. Yeah, you should probably go out the back way, dude. Just saying. I need gas. We need the fuel. What? Well, I just ain't getting gas here then. Fuck y'all. I'm not going inside and talking to nobody. If I gotta go inside, then it defeats the purpose. We'll just go up the road. It's not like it's gonna lay down on me. Man, fuck these signs. I can't see shit. Tap to pay hasn't worked here like 4 times. Hey, Dios mío. I'm gonna head to the next gas station up. Oh, it feels so good to move. Baby, it feels so good to move. Mesh jacket supremacy. Baby. Like, I know I look like an astronaut, but it feels great. I think my biggest gripe here lately, though, is, like, I don't like certain idioms. Like, don't get smart with me has always been one that gets under my skin. Like, as a neurodivergent person, I've always been perceived as intelligent, right? Like, I'm autistic and I got AuDHD, so I pick up on stuff quick and I'm really good at it. So people are like, oh, she's a genius. It's like, I'm stupid, I just think faster. That's all it is. I make connections quicker, and I think differently. That's all it is. I was in the gifted program as a kid, and I don't know how many of you were in the gifted program as a kid, but it's like, perhaps this is the reason why I'm bad at mathematics. They're just like, heck yes, we will teach you all math at this time of day, except for this one. It shall learn riddles. And they pulled me out of class, and they took me, after they gave me an IQ test, just because I was picking up on stuff so quick, and it's like, it's easy. It's all easy. Like, I feel like an alien so much because I will just say things in the most concise terms possible, and people just don't listen. But, like, that leads me back to what I was talking about, is, like, people will say, don't get smart with me. Like, all right, what would you rather me do? I'm just telling you things you don't want to hear. There's no malice behind it. You're just stupid. And that's how I've always felt about it. And my mother was a profoundly stupid woman. And I mean this with the utmost disrespect. I do not like her. But she was a profoundly stupid woman. And I would use the most clear, concise language and cut straight to the point. And she would feel very insecure about it. Because, like, I wouldn't be elevating my vocabulary very much. Like, there are just words that mean things, and I use them, and people don't like that. They want me to beat around the bush and follow social mores, and I, quite frankly, don't give a shit. I find small talk to be exhausting, and I find having to, like, play this game of verbal charades that people always seem to want to get into to just be a pointless endeavor that makes me very tired at the end of it all. I don't like it. I don't like the way people interact. Alright, round 2. Can you not do that? Ah! The fuck, man? Pick one. Fucking white ass birthing hips. What the fuck? Yeah, no, that time it worked. I don't have enough time. Oh, it's the left turn. Okay, I'll go then. Oh my god, stop! Okay, it's dry enough through here where I can kind of let it out. Where I kind of wring it out a bit. But yeah, I think that's all I've got in me today is that. So, y'all have a good shit. The next couple, like probably 2 miles are going to be between me and the insurance company. And I'm sure you don't care about that. So, y'all have a good. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.